Great starter home. This well-maintained cozy brick home built in 1987, located in a family-friendly neighborhood, has a living room, eat-in kitchen, inside laundry room, 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. This quaint residence also has a 1-car carport along with extra concrete parking pad on the side. And there is a very expansive front and backyard. Listed at only $79,000. Call Laura 601-831-2900 or Brenda 601-415-2039 at Love Realty of MS, LLC.